Dumping loaded garbage bins by hand can be a dangerous task. A worker can experience dangerous muscular strains from attempting to lift these loads without the proper equipment. One person with a fork truck can safely and easily dump trash cans or 55-gallon drums into a hopper with the DC-powered trash can dumper. It is powered by an onboard DC battery. Solve the once arduous task of taking trash cans to the dumpster. Keep your workers out of harm's way with the Vestal trash can dumper. A variety of dump angles ensure a smooth unloading of trash cans while minimizing the chance for spillage. The DC-powered trash can dumper can also be installed on a Vestal D200 series hopper. Place a Vestal D-style hopper on top of the DC-powered trash can dumper. Make sure that the fork tubes of the hopper seat properly on top of the fork tubes of the trash can dumper. Load the trash can or